Welcome back to logic gates or logic circuits. So we're going to start. So welcome back to static and current, electricity, magnetism, and transformers, and we're going to explore logic gates or logic circuits. Please bear in mind I'm going to put a video that I would have done already on logic gates. I just attach it, so when this video is done it's going to come up as a end card, so please click on it. So binary numbers can be represented physically in a number of ways. In electronics, they are represented as two voltage levels: a high, which represents the digit 1 and is called logic 1, a low, which represents the digit 0 and is called logic 0. A logic gate is an electronic component which processes a binary input and produces a binary output based on a set of rules. At this level, below are the 5 logic gates you are expected to learn. You're expected to learn about the OR gate, the AND gate, the NOR gate, the NAND gate, and the simple NOT gate. Truth tables show the output states of a logic gate for all of the possible outputs of the gate or to the gate. These allow us to easily determine what the output would be when the gates are connected in input sources. All gates inputs may be remembered like this: nothing from nothing gives you nothing. Something from nothing gives you something. Nothing from something gives you something. And something from something gives you something. So when you see the zeros, you know that means nothing, and something mean 1. NOR gates will give the opposite response. For example, nothing from nothing will not give you nothing, but will give you something, right? And gate inputs may be remembered like this: 0 multiplied by 0 is equal to 0. 0 multiplied by 1 is equal to 0. 1 multiplied by 0 gives you 0. And 1 multiplied by 1 gives you 1. The OR gate can be seen as an addition gate, while the AND gate can be seen as a multiplier gate. Right? So these are just things to help you. And again, the video will be attached. Please watch it. It's an old video, but it is so useful. So here are the truth tables. So for the OR gate, 0, 0 gives you 0. Everything else gives you 1. And remember, something from something will give you something. Something from nothing will give you something. So this is the OR gate here, right? There must be something. And the AND is like a multiplier. You just have 0 times 0, 0, 0 times 1, 0, 1 times 0, 0, 1 times 1 is 1. So I guess they want us to fill them in. So 0 times 0, 0, 0 times 1, 0, 0, 1 times 0, 0, 1 times 1, 1. The NOR gate is the opposite of the OR gate, so nothing from nothing will not give you nothing, will give you something. So that's 1. And then you have something from nothing, something from nothing will not give you something, will give you nothing, and that's what we will write all here. And then for NAND, NAND is the opposite of AND, so 0 times 0 is not equal to 0, it will equal to 1. 0 times 1 not equal to 0 gives you 1. Same thing here, 1. And 1 times 1 is not equal to 1, equal to 0. Logic gates by themselves are limited in their use. However, when they are combined together, they can be used to process information and cause actions to be taken. To work out the output for any collection of gates, draw up a truth table representing all of the possible input combinations. For each set of truths, in turn, work your way through the logic combinations and find the output. Keep going until you have found the outputs for all of the possible input combinations. please look at the video, the suggested video that should be popping up at this time, and then you could come back. Now, impact of electronic and technological advances in society. Pros: businesses get a competitive edge when they use advanced technologies. The global pooling of information increases the rate of research and development. Improved transport through airplanes and trains, as well as better communicating devices such as cell phones and computers, has led to more efficient business transactions and to an increase in social contact. Better machinery leads to increased and improved productivity. Electronic banking has facilitated the process of financial transactions. Cons: incorrect information is common on the internet, and that's true. Individuals can be addicted to social networking to such an extent that their productivity decreases. That's just a scare. If you know how to use social networking, you'll be good. You'll be fine. Excessive virtual communication can lead to lack of real communication and to a fall in social skills. Exposure to movies with immoral sexual content and violence can eventually lead to some persons accepting these acts as the norm. Hackers can intrude on computers and manipulate information such as bank accounts, and more efficient machinery can result in a decrease in available jobs. Alright, so see you around for, I think, part 7. I'm probably losing it by now, and this should be coming. I think this is our second to last part. So see you around. Bye.